We picked up life skills for young men for our son. It's been such a valuable resource. It covers a wide range of essential skills that every young man needs to learn, but may not always be taught in school or at home. What we appreciate most about this book is how practical it is. It doesn't just talk about concepts, it provides actionable advice. There are sections on personal finance, cooking basics, home maintenance, and even social etiquette. The content is broken down into short, easy to digest chapters, which makes it simple to pick up, read a section, and immediately start applying what you've learned. For example, there's a chapter on how to manage your time effectively. Our son found this especially helpful since he's balancing school, extracurriculars, and part-time work. Another standout for us is the section on how to handle basic home repairs. It gives young men the confidence to fix things around the house without feeling overwhelmed. The tone of the book is encouraging and positive, which makes it feel less like a lecture and more like helpful guidance from a trusted mentor. One minor thing to note, while the book covers many useful topics, it doesn't dive deeply into each one. We see it more as a great starting point to build foundational skills. Overall, we feel this book does a fantastic job of preparing young men for the real world. If you're looking for a gift that offers long-term value, Life Skills for Young Men is a great option. Whether it's learning how to budget, cook a simple meal, or keep things organized, this book has something for everyone. Definitely give this product some consideration.